Did you know that in Greek mythology, a god was literally sewn inside Zeus's thigh like a pocket baby? Here's what actually happened. Dionysus, the god of wine and madness, never had a normal entrance into this world. His mother was Semele, a mortal woman who caught Zeus's attention. And like always, Hera found out. So Hera disguised herself as an old woman and whispered something dangerous into Semele's ear. She told her to ask Zeus to reveal his true divine form, his actual form, the one no mortal eyes could survive, Semele asked. Zeus begged her to take it back. She didn't. He appeared in his full glory, and Semele burned alive on the spot. But the baby wasn't done yet. Zeus pulled the unborn child from the ashes and cut open his own thigh, stitching Dionysus inside to finish growing. Weeks later, a god of chaos and madness was born from his father's leg. And honestly, that explains everything about Dionysus.